Now let us see how the questions in final test paper of calculus are asked so that we can prepare ourselves for the same. Let's enjoy this journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss a complete test paper on calculus. This is the final test paper which may come for you also. Many similar questions have been seen in past test papers. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. We conduct regular classes and also fast track courses to get you through this course in just a period of 16 classes. So you can always send an email to register for any type of course. The topics which we have considered are limits, derivatives, differentiability, finding equation from given conditions, rates of change application, increasing decreasing interval, interval for concavity, optimization, and displacement velocity, where we'll focus on maximum velocity. More or less, this is what you learn in our short term course also, where we can teach you all these topics in about 16 classes, and then you can take up a test, something which I'm going to share with you now. So, in limits, we have taken up questions which are based on substitution. Here is your first question for the test paper preparation. Limit when x approaches 1 for square root of x minus 1 over cube root of x minus 1. This is a very important substitution. So once you understand this strategy, it will ensure that you can do most of the questions where substitution is involved. The second question is on limit. Limit x approaches minus infinity for square root of x square plus x. Another difficult question which you can once understand, then you can always find limits for many functions approaching infinity or minus infinity. So the two questions on limit which we have taken here are actually critical questions. Let's take up derivative questions. Now here is a simple question based on derivatives where you can use the power rule and answer. However, here also we see a simple way of doing it because application of power rule is something very common for the entire course and you should be good at it. Second question on derivative involves exponential function. We need to find the derivative of 7 to the power of x squared. Now we have application and communication question, which is find the values of the constant a, b, and c such that the graph of the function f of x ax squared plus bx plus c with x-intercept at 0 and 5 and tangent with slope 1 when x equals to 2. Very important question for our IB students. They normally see this type of question in their exams. Differentiability. Now, differentiability is an important topic which is not so well understood. This example will give you an idea of what I'm saying. There is a difference between differentiability and continuity, and that should be appreciated. Problem here is for which values of p is the function f of x differentiable. F of x equals to px plus p squared minus 5 for x less than equal to 1, and it is x squared for x greater than 1. Now we have two questions which are based on derivatives. You need to find the derivative of p to the power of x and also derivative of log to the base a of x. Then we have taken a problem creating application question to understand the point of inflection. The curve f of x equals to x cubed minus kx squared minus 6x minus 1 has point of inflection at x equals to 1. Find the value of k. Another application question which is given f of x equals to x cubed plus ax plus b, where a is not equal to b, and point p, which is 1 comma k, is on the curve f of x. Find the tangent lines at x equals to a and x equals to b. If the tangent lines at x equals to a and x equals to b are parallel, find the value of k. Perfect. So these are very interesting questions. I hope you are enjoying this journey of understanding what kind of final test paper you could expect, and also how do we prepare for this course. Well, in case you want to join my classes, you can always send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Few more questions to go. In this question, determine the intervals of increase for function f of x equals to 3x cubed minus 16. It should be 16x plus 7. The next question is on concavity. Given f of x equals to x to the power of 5 minus 5x cubed, find all local extrema point of inflection and intervals of concavity. Optimization question. A rectangular sheet of perimeter 33 centimeter and dimensions x centimeters by y centimeter is to be rolled into a cylinder. What values of x and y gave the largest volume? Very interesting question. And now we're moving on to the last question of this test paper, which is a particle moves along a line so that at time t, its position is s equals to 4 sine 4t. What is particle's maximum velocity and when does it occur? In the first 3 seconds. So with that, we end our test paper. Go through these questions once again, pause the video, answer them, practice. In case you need help, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com or write your comments. Solutions of these questions is being provided in our playlist. You can also inquire about their solutions by writing comments. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.